Hey guys, it's Dane with DynastyBreaks.com. It's the 29th of September 2019. We're busting two personal boxes for Samuel Har. Samuel, you got a box of 2019 XR football and a box of 2019 Bowman Chrome Baseball Hobby. So best of luck, Samuel. Let's get some fire. Hey, what's up, Sarge? There's Sarge.
Hey, Sarge.
What's going on, man? A box of Steelers? Chase wants a whole box of Steelers. I want to find my NT video. All right, base cards, Matthews and Jeffrey. And we're going to have an autograph. Taylor Rapp for the Rams. Rookie auto to 199. Taylor Rapp. Nice Taylor Rapp. And we've got a Justice Hill Okie State to 99 and Big Ben to 249. Justice Hill's orange parallel. Big Benjamin. And a triple relic. Russell Wilson, DK Metcalf, Rashad Penny. 32 and 99. Team Trio.
That's a good one.
Seven injured and 2 out of football. Maybe you get points for that. There you go, Josh Allen. Hey, George is in Louisiana if you are, Sarge. And Zeke. Myles Garrett base. We've got a Darnell Savage and Phillip Rivers numbered cards to 249 and 199. And Trevor's guy, Mecole Hardman, rookie patch auto to 49 for the Chiefs. The speedster for the Chiefs. Is a blue parallel Hardman. And we've got to 99, Miles Sanders, extreme rookie, Philly. And an A.J. Brown base. All right, we will team bag these up for you. Include those with your hits there. And it's Bowman Chrome baseball time. Good luck. May the Super Fractor be with you. We haven't got one yet. Sorry to hear that, Sarge. Sorry for your loss, for sure. We're going to put the bottom on the top. That'll give you good luck. Thanks, Paul, over on Facebook. We appreciate it. Sorry for the power outage. I know you guys were watching one of the greatest cases of NT ever, and it went kablooey. Luckily, we'd shown all the cards, but sorry about that. You must be talking to George, Soupy. You said ma'am. Must be talking to George. How'd you hear about us, Paul? Over on Facebook. All right, here we go. We've got an Elite Farmhand Swaggerty Pirates. Daniel Johnson, Arizona Fall League. And we've got a Purple Shimmer for the Cubbies. Gallardo. Purple Shimmer, not numbered. Yelich base. And our first auto is going to be for the Royals. Jeffrey Del Rosario. First Bowman. There you go. Del Rosario. And second half, good luck. Yeah, come to YouTube, Paul. They're asking you to come to YouTube, Paul. Actually, John said, don't be a mansy pansy. Come to YouTube. To $4.99, Blake Snell. Blake Snell Refractor. AFL, Luis Robert. Oh, an orange. An orange shimmer. That is Clark Schmidt. Was hoping for some ink there. Clark Schmidt. For the Yankees. That is 24 of 25. And your auto is Jordan Yamamoto for the Marlins. Miami Marlins. First Bowman. Yamamoto. And that was your box. There you go, Samuel. We will get this shipped out to you ASAP. And Sunday Money Breaks ship on Friday typically, so we'll get that out on Friday to you. We appreciate the purchase, and we'll stop the video here, guys.